Hi guys, it's Mary, and I'm coming to you with another Tonic craft kit. Now, if you're thinking she just did a Tonic craft kit video just a week or so ago, you would be right, because that one came very, very late. This one, however, is on time. So I'm pretty excited because, again, I don't remember what's in it, but I seem to recall blue being a theme color or whatever. I don't know. But I don't think they number them anymore. But if you're old school like me, I'm calling this number 47. So we'll see what they call it when I open the box. If this thing will stop rolling around. And it's got extra tape on it here. I'm not sure why. All right. So this is it. We've got no clue. So let's go ahead and look at the die and what it has to say. Christmas. Okay, that makes sense. And, oh, okay. I remember now. I was right about the blue. And it's the Winter Advent Star Box. And so you make the little boxes, and you can use them as an advent calendar, or you can hang them on the tree as an ornament, or you can hang them on a tree as an advent calendar. So let's take a look. Winter Advent Star Box is what they're calling it this time. So we've got the numbers. Looks like we've got some ornaments. A little candy cane. Maybe this is something to hang with. Not sure. That's a cute little triangle. Comes with instructions. Good. All right, so it looks like you make two bases and then put them together. So I guess that would before you put them together, you'd be able to stuff them with something if you wanted to use it that way. And here's the base. Oh, it has all kinds of different inserts, including this one that we just saw over here. So it has the inserts. It's got three different snowflakes, and it looks like it cuts and it scores all the way around, and then those are the tabs. And then it looks like you can use this stamp if you wanted to stamp instead of use the die right there. It says Merry Christmas, North Pole Delivery, Winter Wishes, Hugs and Kisses, Noel, Joy, and Peace. All right, so let's take a look at the listing. All right, let's do the goodie bag first before we do the cards. So it looks like we have, let's get over here. Okay, let's open it up. All right, so this is Nouveau Vintage Drops in a color called Chalk Stick. So that's interesting. We've got blue and white French blue striped baker's twine. That's a pretty color. Oh, we've got 3 of the Nouveau alcohol markers. Baritone blue, forget-me-not blue, and skylight blue. So they all go together. You got your light, your medium, and your dark. And let's see what this is. Nouveau glitter accents add a luxurious glitter effect to your craft project. I don't think I have any of this. Fresh snowfall. I've never seen this before. I wonder if it's like Stickles glitter accents. I don't know if that's going to be interesting to try. Maybe there's more stuff in here. Glacier paste and some sort of white. What color does it say? Winter white. Look at how sparkly that is. So that's a little trial size. More stuff. Oh, some gems. Look at how pretty those are. They're like an aquamarine teardrops. Very pretty. And last is glitter. Let's see. Let's open this up. Sapphire blue pure sheen glitter. That's very, very pretty. And silver tinsel. Pure sheen glitter. Very pretty. Very, very nice. All right, so then let's look at the papers. I do really like this new folder that the papers come in. They're not dented or bent on the edges like sometimes they were, at least what I received. So I'm pretty happy. All right, so let's try to figure these papers out. Let me get them out of the folder. They're very pretty. All right, so says we have a pearl essence in Caribbean. Okay, so this must be the pearl essence in Caribbean blue. That's very pretty. And then iridescent mirror card in Halo Waves. I'm thinking that's it. And then another iridescent in Mist. Marina Mist. I think that would be that one. That's very pretty too. Glitter card in Silver Screen. There we go. Specialty paper and Hailstorm. I'm assuming that's this one. This is gorgeous. I just love this specialty paper. It's just so, I don't know, they're all different, and I just love the feel of the texture on them. Oh, and then we have, let's see, bright white. Classic card. I think there's 2 of those. Arctic blue. which I'm thinking might be this one, and then French, oh wait, French blue. Okay, and then this is actually the classic card. So that's the French blue. That's actually the classic card, bright white. And then these whites back here, the two of those were smooth card. So, which they are, they're very smooth. So that's two of those. This and this are just gorgeous together for that tone on tone. All right, so that's it. Love the papers. This is going to be interesting. I don't usually make things like this, so I'm going to have to give it a go and see how easy it is. I'm glad that there are instructions, and they don't look like it's very difficult. It says, first cut 2 bases, trim the tabs from one of the bases as shown. Oh, so on one you could cut all the tabs off and just leave it plain. And then adhere the bases as shown below. Lay the base 1 flat and ensure that the tabs on base 1 match the slits on base 2. Okay. And then now you're ready to decorate your star. Once you decorate the stars complete, simply pop in the sides to create a dimensional shape. All right, so that sounds pretty easy. I like easy. I craft to relax, not to get stressed out, so. All right, so that's it for this month at Winter Advent Star Box. It's a mouthful. Or, as I like to call it, craft box number 47. If you've gotten your craft kit already, let me know. If you've made anything with it, please let me know and share. If you've made something different than what the instructions talk about, please share in the comments below. Let me know. This is going to be pretty. I think, oh, this is cute. They've got a little shaker. They did the snowflakes in pieces for a shaker. So, yeah. So, let me know in the comments what you think about the box. And if you've made anything. So that's it for today. Box number 47. As always, I appreciate you taking the time to watch. Yeah, I appreciate it if you are a subscriber. It's slowly getting there. Well, I think there's, as of today, I think there's 166 subscribers, so that's absolutely awesome. I appreciate every one of you. I really do. So, if you like the video, please hit the like button. That makes YouTube happy. So that's it for this time. Until the next time, stay safe and well. Happy crafting, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.